final quarter. Lawan versus Malanhiga.
Lawan Julian of 4 points lead.
For the Fiesta Malanhiga 2025 championship game. Let's go, last quarter. Abing
Dadulya, tapat di Kihol. Tula Salazar, 15 to shoot. Balay
Garcia.
Back to Salazar. To Abing, pumukol na papasok. Last touch. 77 to number 26, to number 36. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 77 pa rin. Left quarter court to number 1. Tabang na kayo. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 1. Pumukol. In and out. Rebound Balais. To Dadulya. Dadulya to Abing. Pumukol ng 3. Wala yan. Rebound 77. 77. Nasa may logo. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 26. To number 36. Shot clock down to 10. Pull up jumper. Wala yan. Rebound Abing. To Dadulya. Dadulya. Racing the floor. Dadulya. To Salazar. To Abing. 15 seconds to shoot. Abing. Drive and draw. To Babalais. Tumira. Wala. May agawan ng bola. Last touch yellow. 14 seconds shot clock.
58-60 in favor of Lawan.
Substitution number 2 in, number 25 out for Team Lawan. 25 inbounding from the baseline. Tutoles, maagawan yan. Number 1 sumalaksak. Napalang inabot pero may dito si referee Pachico.
Dadulya.
First throw. Pasok. At 61-58. Second throw. Set it up. Let it go. And push it in. Dadulya to Salazar against number 1 to Toles. Toles 15 to shoot. Toles pa rin. Toles to Dadulya. 5 seconds to shoot. Previously up, hindi ang papasok. Number 1 tumalaksak, hindi ang papasok. Toles nakakuha ng rebound. So number 26, hindi pa rin yan papasok. Jump ball. Number 36, sasalaksak. Drive and draw, turnover. Tumalaksak, wala yan. 77, Howler the rebound for Lawan. Number 1, nagmamadali sa number 1. Number 1 pa rin. Cross pass to number 77. 15 seconds to shoot. To number 1. Pumukol ng 3. Wala yan. Put back number 2. Good for 2 points. Number 2. Nasa may right quarter court. That is number 1. Back to Dadulya. Tapat di Kihol. 15 seconds to shoot. Dadulya. Drop pass to number 25. To Balais. Pumukol ng 2. Hindi ang papasok. Number 1. Hold the rebound for Ben. To number 1. Number 1. Sasalaksak. Lalabas ang bola. Makukuha ni number 30. Number 30. Wakali. Last touch. Yellow. To Baldo. 15 seconds to shoot. Gaylor may dala ng bola against number 1. 10 seconds. Gaylon to Baldo. Baldo goes inside. Pumukol. Last pass yellow. 4 seconds. Out the glass, pasok yan. 64-62. 64-60. 4-goal priest being employed by Balanghiga. Number 1 to another number 1. Number 1 pa rin. Tumira, pumasok at may foul si number 22.
Bonus free throw.
Number 1 pa rin.
Bonus free throw. No good. Complete.
Number 71, Dadulya. Dadulya to Gailon. To Salazar. Sa may foul line. Tumira, pasok yan. Score 62-64. May last touch, turnover Lawan. Gailon pa rin. To Dadulya. Shot clock 14. 10 seconds to shoot. Gailon. Gailon. To Salazar. Pull up jumper. Wala. Rebound Gailon. Shot clock reset to 14. Number 1. Number 1 to number 72. Tumira. Pasok. First hit. Score. Score. Ayaw niya pagsalibin scoreboard. Ayaw niya pagsalibin. Okay. Scoreboard. 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 62. Number 26. Yes, sir. 77. Number 77. Ibibigay yan. Maagaw yan. Nobody else home. Score. Another turnover. Another turnover. Gailon. To Toles. To Salazar. To Gailon. To Baldo. 15 to shoot. Wala yan. May alawan ng bola. Nakuha ni number 1. Number 1. Nagmamadali si number 1. Tapa lang inabot dyan. Pero ay number 36. Pasok. Gailon. Anagawan si Dadulya. Kay number 1. Tumira. Tapa lang inabot.